In 2026, $100,000 isn't wealth. It's the minimum entry fee to live a life that doesn't feel like a constant survival simulation. Most people spend 40 years climbing a corporate ladder just to hit this number by the time they're too old to enjoy it. They're playing the slow game. But if you understand thin line logic, you know that hitting six figures is just a math problem with 12 different solutions. Here is every logical path to $100,000 this year. The sales shark. You don't own a product, you don't own a warehouse, you just own the conversation. The sales shark finds a company selling something high ticket, think $20,000 solar systems or enterprise software, and becomes the bridge. You take a 10% commission, sell 50 units in 12 months. That's it. That's the math. You aren't working. You're just a professional talker who understands that people will pay anything to have their problem solved by a confident voice. The content farmer. You don't show your face. You don't even use your own voice. You run 5 anonymous YouTube channels where AI writes the scripts and handles the voiceovers. You're essentially a digital landlord, harvesting ad revenue from top 10 lists or Reddit summaries. If each channel clears a modest $1,700 a month, you're a six-figure earner in your pajamas. You're not a creator, you're an attention scientist, hacking the dopamine loops of millions of strangers while they scroll in bed. The flip master. While everyone else is buying brand new sneakers, you're at a garage sale buying a vintage Leica camera for $50. You know that price is a suggestion, but value is a logic. You clean it up, list it on eBay for $800, and repeat. Scale this from cameras to specialized medical equipment or vehicles, and the $100,000 mark comes fast. You're the person who realizes that one man's trash is actually just an incorrectly priced asset. The lead gen guy. Local businesses, roofers, dentists, lawyers, are great at their jobs, but terrible at the internet. They are starving for customers. You run the ads, build the landing page, and sell them the leads. If you send a roofer 20 high-quality jobs, he'll happily hand you $10,000. Do that for 1 client a month, or 5 clients on a smaller scale, and you've bypassed the grind by becoming the most important person in their business, the guy who brings the money. The CEO Ghostwriter. There are thousands of old-school CEOs who want to be LinkedIn influencers, but write like they're stuck in 1995. You are the invisible hand. You write 3 posts a week for them that sound smart, edgy, and visionary. You charge 5 CEOs $2,000 a month each. You're making $100,000 a year for writing less than 1,000 words a week. You aren't a writer. You're a status architect, selling the one thing rich people want more than money: a legacy. The real estate wholesaler. You find a house that's falling apart. You convince the owner to sell it for $150,000. You don't buy it. You just lock it in a contract and sell that contract to an investor for $165,000. You just made $15,000 in a weekend without ever owning a brick or swinging a hammer. You're the middleman in the most expensive game on earth. Most people think you need money to make money in real estate. The wholesaler knows you just need a pen and a phone. The Cleaning Mogul. You don't clean toilets. You build a premium brand that looks like the Ritz-Carlton of cleaning services. You hire 10 contractors for $30 an hour and charge the clients $90 an hour. You keep the $60 gap. You are the manager of the inconvenience. While everyone else is too proud to get into the cleaning business, you're quietly building a 6-figure empire by simply organizing the labor that nobody else wants to manage. The High-Ticket Tutor. In 2026, wealthy parents are terrified their kids won't make the cut. They will pay $250 an hour for you to guarantee an A. Work 10 hours a week, and you're making more than the principal of the school. You aren't teaching algebra, you're selling a future. And for the 1%, that price tag is a bargain. The drop servicer. You sell high-end digital services, $3,000 for a video or $5,000 for a website. Then you hire a specialist in a lower-cost country to do the actual work for $800. You are the quality control filter. The client pays for your communication and your Western reliability. You pay for the global labor gap. It's arbitrage for the digital age, and the profit margins are disgusting. The AI Automator. You walk into a local law firm or doctor's office that is still drowning in paperwork. You use AI tools to automate their filing, their scheduling, and their billing. You charge a $10,000 setup fee and a monthly retainer to keep the robots running. You aren't a coder. You're a transition specialist, helping the old world survive the new world and getting paid a premium to be the one holding the manual. The Luxury Concierge. Rich people are often time poor. They need a sold-out table at a Michelin star restaurant. They need a rare vintage Rolex delivered by Friday. They need a private jet to Ibiza. You are the fixer. They pay you a $5,000 monthly retainer just to have you on speed dial. Have 2 clients like that, and you're at $100,000. You're selling the only thing billionaires can't buy more of: time. The dirty job elite. While everyone else is fighting for clean desk jobs that pay $45,000, you're doing the stuff that makes people recoil. Crime scene cleanup, industrial waste removal, or biohazard disposal. Because it's gross, there is zero competition. Because it's necessary, the pay is astronomical. You're making 6 figures because you're the only person in the room who isn't too refined to handle the reality of the world. $100,000 isn't a destination, it's a test of your leverage. Whether you leverage robots, other people's time, or your own specialized knowledge, the goal is the same. Stop trading your hours for dollars. If you want to see the logic behind the next level, the $1 million mark, hit subscribe. This is Thin Line Logic.